Everyone, I am Qasim and you're watching Crazy Tech. In today's video I will show you that how you can easily remove background from your photos in just 5 seconds. Yeah, nowadays removing background from your pictures, images or photos is very easy. Previously you have to download certain different apps or software in order to do this thing. So recently there is a website called remove.bg which has introduced this option without any software. So let's move over to mobile screen. Yeah, first let's head over to your browser. In my case I'm using Chrome, and then simply type in the URL here, remove, remove, remove.bg. You can click here remove.bg and simply press it. So this is a website here, as you can see still loading. So here it is, remove image background for free, and what they claim is 100% automatically in 5 seconds. So you don't have to do anything like in Android apps you do some trace and all that stuff. Here it will do everything by its own. It's full AI based website, so they will do by their own. So here you can see some of the examples they have shown us. So this is a picture with the background. Here you can see they just remove the background, and the picture they produce here in the PNG folder so that you can use it in any of your social life or some business related stuff. You can use that. So let me show you how you can do. Here you can see select a photo, or you can easily enter URL here or something like that, but for this purpose I will select a photo and click press on that. I will take one of my pictures. So now it's uploading that picture to their servers, and don't worry, it will not leak any of your picture because this is a secure site. Here you can see on the top it's logged HTTPS, which means your data will not get leaked. So and now it's uploading. It depends on your internet connection whether it's fast or slow. If it is very fast, then it will only take a second or two, and also depend upon your image file size. So now it's finished, everything is done. Now here you will see the sample. This is my original image, here you can see, and here is the image with the removed background. So how unique it is that. So now I will just simply download it. Here you can see downloading and just finished. Now here is a picture and it's a PNG image. So my full whole background is being removed. So this is the picture before and now it is removed. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, I will appreciate if you will press the like button, and for more such videos do subscribe to my channel Crazy Tech, and press that bell icon so you will get notified whenever I upload new video. Till then, this is Qasim signing off. You guys have a great day.